No, Joe!
No, Joe. MoJoe.
We invented MoJoe, the personal mobile brewer, which is basically a travel mug-sized coffee maker where you can add any temperature water, your own coffee grounds or our to-go sticks, power up via wall, car, or rechargeable battery, push a button, and you have coffee on the go, anywhere, anytime. We probably went through 30 different designs or calculations, but the issue was, how do you move water from reservoir A to reservoir B without big motors or small parts?
Yeah, and he came to me with this challenge, and I said, hey Joe, have you guys looked at vacuum coffee? It uses the power of the water itself to kind of move the water in the device. So it pushes the water down, it goes up, brews the coffee, and it comes back down into the same pot.
That really was the light bulb above my head, and I realized that this was in fact the brewing system that would be able to work in the MoJoe and would accommodate a coffee drinker on the go.
So MoJoe is for the active coffee lover, the professional coffee lover that are always on the go, whether they're at work, whether they're commuting, it's for them.
The patented backdrip system allows the MoJoe to brew coffee under active conditions. So if you're riding a bike or if you're brewing while MoJoe's on your backpack, by the time you get to the end of your ride, MoJoe is still going to brew just the same.
But it doesn't skimp on quality. It's still providing great coffee and giving you that satisfaction that you need.
There are a lot of mobile coffee makers out on the market, but the thing is, they're either not mobile or they're not really good coffee makers. MoJoe brings that together, and it is in fact a genuine mobile personal brewer. The support from our backers and the money that we raise on Kickstarter will go to finalizing the rechargeable battery, fine-tuning some details with the MoJoe personal brewer, and also just fulfilling an unfulfilled need for coffee lovers.
I mean, the R&D is done, the design is complete, MoJoe's here, and we believe in this product and we can't wait to get it to you.